Hey guys, welcome back to Buckeye Backyard Barbecue. Today, I'm smoking a chicken, and I got this in the mail. Let's open it and give it a shot. Give it a test run. It's the Final Rest BBQ Blanket from Chef's Temp. All right, so it's basically an insulated bag that's used to rest your meats in after you smoke them, so they don't cool off or get too cold. It stays warm for you to enjoy. I'll bring you back when this chicken is done and check this out. All right, guys, so it got a little dark on me here, but I went ahead and took that chicken off. I put it on a tray and slid it right inside the bag here. It's got a little zipper. Good to go. This thing is washable as well, guys. Stick around to find out how this chicken comes out. All right, guys, so she has been rested, and now it's time to open it up. Look at that. All right, guys, this has been the Chef's Temp Final Rest bag. When I first saw it, I thought, oh, what's so special about that? It's just a bag. And then I used it, and I'm telling you guys, that chicken came out amazing. It was one of the juiciest chickens ever. Like, I cut into it, and it was a juice ranch. I was very impressed. I would get one of these, check them out, they're amazing. Let's try that chicken. Fantastic, guys. Thanks for sticking around.